Housing prices in many countries have risen dramatically over the last few decades. And for many younger people, buying a home now feels a lot more difficult than it once did. There are several reasons for this. One major reason is supply and demand. In many areas, populations grew faster than housing construction. So more people competing for limited homes pushes the prices of the homes upwards. Low interest rates also played a huge role. When borrowing becomes cheaper, people can often afford larger mortgages. So this often increases house prices because buyers have access to more money. Housing itself also became an investment asset. Large investors, companies, and wealthy individuals increasingly buy property, not just to live in, but to grow their own wealth from. This inevitably adds even more competition. Meanwhile, wages in many places have not risen at the same pace as property values. Which has created the feeling that many people have now. The feeling that housing moved from being primarily shelter, a basic essential in life, to becoming heavily financialized. And this shift from basic shelter to business matters greatly because housing affects almost everything. It affects survival stress, the need to be somewhere safe, to have a roof over our head, family planning, mobility, savings, mental health, career choices, location being a big factor in where we work, in how we work. And when a large percentage of income goes primarily toward rent or mortgages, many of us are left with less flexibility elsewhere. So housing is one of the clearest examples of how money and financial systems quite literally shape everyday life in modern culture in ways that all of us deeply feel and are connected to.